Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is control and coordination, paper 4, unit test paper number 4, key answers. In the previous video, we have answered for paper 3. Now let us move for paper 4. The first question of paper 4 is, the part of the nervous system controls the reflex activity of the body is, among these four options, the right option is option B, spinal cord. So for the first question, the right option is option B, spinal cord. Now let us move for question number 2. A small gap between successive neuron is called dash. Among these four options, the right option is option B, synapse. So option B, synapse. Now let us move for question number second main, question number 3. We suddenly withdraw our hand when a pin pricks. Name the types of response involved in this action anta ide. So name the type of response involved in this action anta kottidare. So let us answer for this question. So it is the third one. Name the type of response anta ide. A response we call it as reflex action, and this is involuntary action. This is involuntary action. Now let us move for question number 4. In the question number 4, they have given name the types of neuron. So there are three types of neuron. One is called sensory neuron. Second one is called as motor neuron. And the third one is called relay neuron. So these are the three types of neuron. Now let us move for question number 5 of third main. So question is, trace the sequence of events when an art object is touched. So art object ಅನ್ನು touch ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ sequence ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So let us write the sequence now. First is stimulus. So stimulus is the art object. When we touch the art object is the stimulus. So illinda, so that is receptors of this art will be sensed by receptors of sense organs. From there, the information will be carried by sensory neuron. Sensory neuron will carry information to spinal cord. Spinal cord will give the information to motor neuron. Motor neuron will give the information to effectors. Effectors are muscles of our hand. Muscles of our hand is the effectors. Then from there will be a response. So what is our response? So response is withdraw back of our hand. Withdraw of our hand is the response. So this is the sequence that we have to write when we touch a art object. Next question, what are glands? Name two types of glands. So what are glands? So glands are an organ. Glands are an organ which secretes chemicals. The organ which secretes chemicals are called as that is glands. There are two types of gland. One is called endocrine gland and another one is called exocrine gland. One is endocrine, another one is exocrine. Now let us move for question number 7. What is the deficiency disease caused by thyroxine hormone? Why iodized salt made compulsory in our diet? So let us answer this question now. So in the 7th question they have given, what is the deficiency disease caused by the thyroxine hormone anta ide. So the name of the deficiency disease is called goiter. Next, why iodized salt made compulsory in our diet? Because because iodine stimulates thyroid gland, because iodine stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Now let us move for fourth main, that is question number 8. The eighth question is, name the disorder caused by the following situation. So under secretion of growth hormone. So if the growth hormone is secreted under secretion, so under secretion of growth hormone leads to dwarfism. In that one, B question, under secretion of insulin. If the insulin is not secreted properly, then the person will get a disease called diabetes. Then the third one is over secretion of growth hormone. If the growth hormone is secreted in over, so we will get a disease called, that is gigantism. Under secretion dwarfism, over secretion gigantism. Next, let us move for question number 9. Write the differences between movement of leaves of sensitive plants and movement of shoot towards light. So let us differentiate both of them. So let us differentiate between movement of leaves of sensitive plant and movement of a shoot towards light. So let us differentiate between them. So one side, movement of leaves of sensitive plants, and another side, movement of shoot towards light. Movement of shoot towards light. So let us differentiate between them. So the first difference between them is, so the movement of leaves of sensitive plant, it is a non-directional movement. It is a non-directional movement. Then this one, it is a movement of shoot towards light. It is a directional movement. It is a directional movement. Then the second difference is, closing of leaves is not essential for survival. It is not essential for survival, but here movement of shoot towards light, it is essential for survival, because the plant will get sunlight. Using that sunlight, the plant will prepare their own food. Then the third difference between them is, it occurs because the leaves of the sensitive plant will close and open, because it occurs due to change in Turgor pressure. This one, it occurs due to secretion of, the stem will bend towards the sunlight because due to secretion of axin hormone. So these are the differences between movement of leaves of sensitive plant and movement of shoot towards light. So now let us move for the last question of this paper. Write a neat label diagram of human brain. So human brain the neat label diagram baribeku. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions of paper 4. In the next video we are going to answer for paper 5. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thank you very much.